No one's using it. I have the local server running. This is the live website, right? And here is the Figma redesign. And then I have Ghosty with Claude Code running. Okay, so this is going to be the interesting part where I'm planning to strip it back. I'm just going to focus on the value, which is the table. And so I'm going from Figma MCP, which is here, to Claude Code, and then to live, right? So I don't know how this is going to go. It might go absolutely nuts, but let's see how it goes, right? However, I feel that the value is actually here, where you see everything in one go, and you have the top 10 naturally by the score, right? And you can see all the rest here, right? It's a lot, okay? Now, there's a couple of things that I put in, which is you can bookmark it. Essentially, you've got your bookmarks right here, okay? Now, if I actually go here, we are specific to the US market only at the moment, right? So we view all 210 generated keywords. So I feel that this is actually pretty neat, right? Now, you can see the design here is not perfect. So if you haven't shipped, then if you haven't shipped early enough, or if you're not embarrassed enough, then you've took too long to ship, right? So you can see here, this is 122 with volume. You've got 85 with no volume, and then you got 3 related, okay? So this is what it surfaced on here. And now you have the top 10. And then you can save what you want. So let's say we say design to code tool. We go to bookmarks and you can see that has been added, right? So that's pretty neat. So if I go back to nuggets now, and then see table, right? So this is where I've arrived to. Now you can see the current landing page, right? And just to give you a glimpse, I have been thinking of how to redesign this as well, because I'm going to focus on the table. Okay, so back to the app itself, right? So just to say as well, because I've been doing this a lot in Claude, if I wanted to do this design in Figma, in the past, you'd have to recreate the whole design in Figma, but Figma has its own extension, Chrome extension, which is absolutely amazing, right? So I just used that to copy the live app and copied it into here, and I just had to clean it up. You can see some things are off, but this is all done via Figma official Chrome extension. So that's the beautiful thing, right? I could just bring it straight in here. So here it is. I want to improve it. I think it's just too much. And this is a micro SaaS, right? I'm just trying to do one thing well. So I thought, okay, let's just remove the cards. And now we have the table, and already it's starting to look way better. And then here you can see I've just reduced it a bit more, left the lines. Now I brought tabs in, okay? So rather than have bookmarks in the top right and nuggets, okay, naturally you come back to this page and the bookmarks will be saved as tabs. So that will be always shown in the table. Same with these 3 tabs. So everything is within the table. We have how many scans you have left, right? Because you can only do 1 scan per week. And then you could do it in a week after. So it says 7 days left. And this was an old one, right? 14 days left on a free trial. Okay, we're just reminding the user. So I arrived to this. Now, just some small things. It says 10 nuggets mined, right? So it's the top 10. And sometimes that's not very clear, right? But I'm not going to get too crazy about that. I just want to go to this design. Okay, so I'm going to ask Claude, can you check if Figma MCP is ready? And obviously I don't have voice set up. That would be interesting if you got a whisper or something. So let's see if Figma is working. I hope it is, because I don't want to go through the pain of trying to set up Figma live. Okay, it's ready, right? Boom. Okay. So here is, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to then go to link. So here is the link. Can you see? Okay. So hopefully it's going to have a little frame, or maybe it might not even show the frame because that's on Cursor, right? I also use Cursor AI, but now we're going to focus on Claude Code. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So it looks like it's found in. Yes, I can see it. It's the Minepath app frame. Great. So let's just spell stuff wrong, right? We are removing the cards and focusing on the table. We also have 4 tabs because we don't want the side, we don't want the sheet feature anymore because we want the data to be in the main table. Same with bookmarks. If they click on bookmarks and there is no data, there should be an empty component, right? And this I know from Shamsian, okay? So the logo top left should bring them back to the noise main page, because we are moving that on the top right. Also, the billing and user menu should be on one menu. So perhaps we need our own drop down component with Shadcn. So it's placing. So this video is now the interesting thing is the thing that's very risky. I haven't even created a branch, right? This is on main. This might absolutely get destroyed. So let's just hit enter, right? I'm hoping that Claude is going to plan it. Hopefully it's going to plan what needs to be done. Okay, let me get full context. Planning, before planning, right? So whilst this is all going on, now, good. I have a complete picture. Here's what I'm planning to do. What's changing? Across 3 files, major rewrite. Remove all card code, remove sheet, table becomes the primary view with 4 tabs. Beautiful. Loading scanner adapts to table rows instead of cards. Nice. Header restructure. Header action, replace nav with dropdown. Add a custom user dropdown. Char. One thing to flag, the drop-down menu requires a chat menu, which isn't. I'll need to run. Shall I go? Yes, go ahead. Oh, it seemed to have nailed everything so far. Hopefully you can't hear the someone blow drying going off. And I'm currently in my new garden room, right? This has been absolutely amazing just to get focus on work. And again, going back to, and you can see on the left, it's doing its stuff, right? So I'm just going to say allowable edits. And Claude Code in itself, I learned over time about using Claude.md, right? You have to do that because it will have context every time you close the window. And this window itself potentially is going to run out. What I mean run out is that the cache is going to get massive. And, oh, wow, you see this? This is what I'm talking about, right? This, I mean, if it did that, this is just absolutely insane. And I'm not overreacting, right? This is just, I mean, I want to increase the max width, right? I want to do that. And it says 125 nuggets. The Sentry is not, it should be 10, but hey, I'm not complaining, right? And this should take me back to nuggets. And this, look at that. Amazing, right? It practically did it. So that is just mad. And that flow, can you see the flow just stops all the back and forth with prompting, right? This is where I have love for Figma, okay? Just absolutely amazing. So essentially we're using Figma, MCP again, just to repeat, Claude Code, and then eventually the final bit is Vercel, which is where we are, where it's being hosted, and it's going to go live. Of course, we're using GitHub, right? So now it said the build pass is good. It's going to take a screenshot, right, to verify. This is absolutely mad. Browser MCP is not connected. Okay, this is another tool, right? We're actually going from all the tools. You'll need to open. Okay, let me just do that. Let me just do that here. Right, connect. This is another. I forgot how I got it now, but browser MCP, right? If you want to know, please leave your question in the comments, because we're going through so many things in this one thing, this one flow, right? Can you connect it and screenshot it? This is just mad. I'm actually just, this is the first time I've done this flow, right? I can't connect to the browser. It requires you to manually click connect, which I have done. And this is where it's a bit iffy, right? So, okay, let's skip that, because I can see it myself. It looks good. Okay, now, if I go here, I'm going to go to profile. Let's just see that this works. Okay, you can see we've got the back, which we don't need. This is essentially where you're building your profile. You're saying who you are, and you're saying what would you like to make, right? And then you're saying any topics you care about. This is how we generate your profile. And that seems to work fine. Let's go back. You can see the skeleton loading. Let's go to billing. So currently we're trialing scan 0, period start, period end. And this is all on Polar, which is amazing, right? So we don't even need these back buttons, okay? But I'm not going to be too, let's see, where does it go? Back to 9. Let's just leave it there, right? Getting too perfectionist, and we're reaching 20 minutes. So it looks good, okay? So can we commit this? This is something ingrained in my brain, right? From experience. Commit, push, live. I'm going live straight away, right? I don't have any like dev environment. So here it's doing the message, it removed, it adds, remove the installs, drop down menu. Co-authored by Claude Sonnet 4.6. We're not using Opus. I haven't even touched Fable. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Yes, we do. This is just beautiful, right? And if you're a designer, and believe you me, I'm nothing special, push it. Oh, this sounds like salt and pepper now. That gives away my age. The pre-existing changes, push it. Okay, now let's go to Vercel, right? Whilst it's doing the magic. Well, Vercel, you can see all the projects I've got, right? A gazillion, right? Now, let's go to Minepath. Yes, let's proceed. We're going to see this deployment coming up, okay? And I don't want to get too overambitious, because we're going to have to do a live test, okay? We have to. Pushed, okay? So deployments, it's building. And at this point, this is where it would say there's an error, okay? But it said there wasn't an error when it tested it here, because you want to do a build, and we have an error. It was going so smooth. Warning, cloak share. Okay, so what do I do in this case? This is actually good, right? This is real, right? That flow is nearly perfect. And this is where we go down the rabbit hole. And I wish they had a way just to copy this. They have it somewhere, but they don't have it here. Yeah. It's probably a small thing, right? Tabs. What's up with tabs? Oh, here we go. See, I didn't see it. Okay, I didn't see it. Copy. So on Vercel, there is a build error. Please check. Peas. I can't spell, right? Peas. I'm just so excited about this because do you want to proceed? This is just madness, right? Okay, so it pushed. The tabs is in an untracked file. It exists locally, but was never committed. Why? You should commit. But I'm blaming myself, right? I'm blaming myself. Don't blame the AI. I just did not instruct it. Okay, so enough ranting. Now, do you actually want to see me do this? A live test that actually works. Boom. So, actually, let me just go in, right? Let me go in. I have to test it with the new user because it will be silly for me to know. So let's refresh that. Okay. Now, let me just get rid of that. Let me do, this is where I have to go through the whole thing, right? Let me just go in. Continue with GitHub. Hopefully that was the last use. No keywords with search volume yet. Ooh, okay. Ooh. That's not good, is it? Usually we've got an empty state. It's saved all of my older ones, but let's see. Let me refresh, right? This is the part where it should be getting a new bunch of keywords. And as you can see, this does take a while. And that is another thing, is having a loading state. And that's going to be another video, right? Because this is going on for a while. This is probably going to go on for a minute because it's doing a lot, right? As I was saying, oh, bang, there we go, right? And at the moment, it's looking at Google Trends. And it's still, well, it's scored it already, right? Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't, okay? However, you can see here, this is just amazing. It works. So hopefully you found this video useful. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think the next video should be because there's tons of ideas, right? Do you think it should be about distribution? Do you like this type of demos where I'm doing design code in one go? My name is Roy. I didn't even say that, right? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.